Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Granit Agustina. I'm student of Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia, Doctoral Management Program. I would like to presentation in 5 Global Conference of Business Management and Entrepreneurship with the title is Effect of Employee Empowerment on Lecture Performance. And this is my presentation. Okay, effect of employee empowerment on lecture performance. Introduction. In this study, aim to analyze the effect of employee empowerment on the performance of lecturers at one private university in Bandung. In this study, there are two variables, namely of variable employee empowerment and variable of performance. Okay, this is introduction. The success of a tertiary institution emphasizes the role of lecturers in releasing good quality graduates and has the potential to be able to compete in society to meet the various needs of community life. Often a tertiary institution experiences problems in order to improve the quality of its organization, which result in a lack of interested people due to the role of lecturer or teaching staff who lack quality and qualification, so that there is a deterioration in improving their learning performance. Okay, this is for literature review. Empowerment emphasizes a group of individual actions that are focused on building capacity in strength and control. This is we get from Huggins and Margaret. And then according to Hook, empowerment is an increase in the capacity of employees to make decisions. And then according to Kapoor, empowerment refers to increasing an employee who influences his work responsibility by giving the employee the authority to take decisions related to his work without the need to ask permission from his superior. And from Junaidi, Febrian, Agustina, Suryani, and Nali Bratawati, saying that each agency must be able to invite its employees to provide a form of communication model that is appropriated to the needs of the agency that can create a person's performance for the better. Okay, for the research methodology, in this research was conducted at a national private university in West Java using a non-probability sampling technique, namely saturated sampling, or we can say census sampling. The number of lectures used in this study were 100 people who were all made respondent. The hypothesis in this study is that employee empowerment affects the performance of lecturers in the private university environment. Okay, we get the result for the research. Based on the result, it can be concluded that employee empowerment affects the performance of lecturers. The benefit of this research can make a positive contribution to university throughout Indonesia in empowering their ability and expertise as a lecturer at university in Indonesia. Okay, we can get the discussion for this research. The magnitude of the relationship between employee empowerment and lecture performance is 84.9% based on the interpretation that the value of 0.849 is included in the category of very strong relationship. And the magnitude of the contribution of the influence of employee empowerment on lecture performance is 72%, and the remaining 28% is influenced by other factors. Employee empowerment influences lecture performance, T-count value of 4, 6, 8, 9, more than T-table 1.984. So it can be concluded that HANO is rejected and HA is accepted, which means that employee empowerment significantly influenced lecture performance in national private university. Okay, we can get conclusion for this research is with employee empowerment, it is expected that the performance of a lecture will increase in making various efforts that are full of innovation and in the field of science that they are in, so that the teaching and learning process becomes more passionate and full of enthusiasm. Okay, this is a reference we use in this research. Okay, this is my presentation about effect of employee empowerment on lecture performance in online presentation in 5 global conference of business management and entrepreneurship in Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. So I would like to thank you for all taking time to listen to my presentation. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has given us new insight on the topic. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.